Hello all lovely viewers. Today we are making lovely and tasty keema patties, our all-time family favorite dish. So let's see how to make it. Here we have taken 4 big size of potatoes. Wash them clean and cut it and boil it well. After boiling, peel off the skin and mash it well. We have taken 250 gram keema, 1 chopped onion, 1 tomato, chili ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, salt half a teaspoon, turmeric half a teaspoon, red masala 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half a teaspoon, chili flakes half a teaspoon, cumin seeds half a teaspoon. Heat the pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoon oil. Put cumin seeds on it. Add chili flakes, chopped onion. Mix it all well. Put salt on it. Chili ginger garlic paste. Again mix it. Add chopped tomatoes. Put mince or keema on it. Add turmeric powder, black pepper powder, garam masala, red chili powder, red masala, and mix it all very well. Cover it and let it cook. Add mashed potato in it and mix it all well. Now we can make patties out of it. Take breadcrumbs in a plate and coat our patties with the breadcrumbs. Just like this. Now take half tablespoon corn flour. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon water in it. Mix it well. Then take 2 eggs and crack in it. Make a nice mixture out of it. Dip the patties in the egg mixture and recoat it with the breadcrumbs. At the same time, heat up the oil for frying. Once oil is heated, put the patties in the oil. Turn them immediately to avoid cracking its edges. Wow, patties look yummy. I can't wait to eat now. Once it's golden brown, it's time to take them out. See how delicious it looks. You do try this recipe and write us your feedback. Also like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.